I was actually waiting for this palette for almost a week. The shipping was really slow from Pat McGrath. I was actually really surprised. Usually the shipping is not that, slow, I guess because of COVID. So I purchased this one way before my Marc Jacobs holiday collection and the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. So I got the Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity from Pat McGrath's new holiday collection. It just recently launched the rest of the collection. I really wanted the highlighter, but when I saw the price, $65, I was, oh my goodness, $65. I was actually going to purchase it when I saw the price. I was like, so no, I was actually maybe 40, 45, but 65. Ooh, it's expensive. So this one is cheaper than her other palettes. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity Collection. This one came out first. Yeah, came out first than the rest of the collection. So the quads are, I think they are $68 each. For yeah, $68. Okay, so alright guys, so now this it was way too long now. So before I'm going to do my first impressions swatches makeup tutorial, if you like makeup reviews, if you're a makeup enthusiast like myself, if you're a makeup lover like myself, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Please make sure that you click the bells because I noticed, I just checked my analytics for my YouTube channel and most of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. Like 97% of you are not subscribed to my channel, only 3%. I don't know what's going on. So make sure guys that you click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now I am going to show you guys the eyeshadow palette. See cardboard type packaging. I have to say there's a cheap type packaging for Pat McGrath. I also actually really surprised when I opened this up and I was like, oh my god. I mean, even the this regular one, not really like this her mini, I have two the minis. So this one only has 6 shades, all are metallic shades. I'll show you guys. I mean, see, all 6 shades, and the packaging of this is a little bit better, feels a little bit luxe. So this one I think was $65. So this one's $78, but you do get a lot more, way more. I think this one has 18 shades. The only thing with this, it only has, I think, 3 matte shades. 1, 2, yeah, 3 matte shades. So you are limited, or we are limited with the matte shades, but I'm really glad that I purchased the Makeup by Mario and it's all matte, the Master Mattes palette. So I can use that one with this. So there's only bad thing, and the packaging is not as great as the like I mentioned with this one. And also only have one Mothership. This one retails for $125. This is the Mothership 7, I think was, yeah, 7. So you can see guys, this one has, lesser amount of shades, only has 10 shades, while this one has 18. Let me see, let me make sure that this one 2, 4, 6, yeah, 18 shades. So a lot of people said on the comments that 12 shades of from this palette are existing shades from the Star Wars collection. I do not have that palette with me, so that's why I decided to get this one. I'm going to insert pictures of the Star Wars palettes. I think came out with 2 palettes, like this one, the mini, and the Mothership, or like the Mothership type palette. So I don't have, I don't have both palettes with me, so that's why I decided to get this one. It's cheaper. So 12 existing shades. So I'm going to swatch the metallics and the shimmers. Metallics and shimmers from Pat McGrath are like my favorite formulas from her. She has like one of the best in my opinion. So show you guys. So this is the ooh. And this red one, similar shade to the Mothership 7. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, from the Mothership 7, the red shade, and my favorite color. Oh, this one is a little dry. Kinda rough, like grainy. The matte one, the brown. Let me show you guys the rest of the colors. Ooh, this purple is so pretty. Sorry guys. So this purple is so pretty. Ooh. And this is the purple shade. Wow, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. So here are the swatches. I haven't swatched the last row, and here are the swatches. Really pretty. One thing I noticed, the mattes are kind of patchy and dry, but the metallics on the shimmers are really soft. So I'm gonna swatch the last row for you guys. It's more like a purple shift to it. So these three like a dual chrome. They're like dual chrome shadows. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so the mattes are a little dry in my opinion. Let's see how they perform on the eyes. I'll be applying this light pink shade as my transition shade. Oh, it's a little dusty. It's gonna So did you guys purchase her new Pat McGrath's new collection, especially this palette? Let me know because I really want to hear your opinions about this new collection, about the price, about the quality. Let me know guys because I'm really intrigued how I'm really like excited how this makeup will turn out. Next I'll be taking another shade, this one. It's still a little dry and not crumbly, like grainy, kind of grainy a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing with this. Grainy. Okay. Now I'm gonna be applying I think I'm gonna do purple today, purple and gold. I think they always go together. So I'm gonna be using this purple. This is a iridescent purple shade, and I'm gonna tie it off with a shimmery purple for this. Pretty. This is very creamy. Seems like the metallics, the mattes, metallic shimmers, iridescent shades are better formulation than the mattes. That's what I noticed about this palette. And then I'm gonna be using this shimmery purple shade on top of this. And this light gold shade just next to this purple. So I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean it up. I think I'm gonna do like a dramatic wing eye today because I haven't done a dramatic wing eye for a while now. So I'm gonna put on false lashes, fill my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. I usually do my face makeup on camera, but I didn't really want this video to be way like too long, like a 30-minute video. So I decided to do my makeup off camera. So now I'm gonna be I'm really obsessed with the purple shades. For my lower lashes, I'll be I don't know what color, but this red. Oh my goodness, I need to do this red. I need to use this one. I think this is the existing shade from the Mothership 7 palette. So I'm just gonna apply this one on my lower lashes. Looks so weird doing like this. Alright, so I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners. What highlight? Oh, this is like a dual chrome. This one I'm gonna use this. Just so over with wearing braces. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. She has one of the best shimmers out there. I love her shimmers. I love her metallics. Oh, I'm obsessed. This is the completed look. Ooh, I'm obsessed with this eye makeup. So let me swatch this red shade from the Mothership 7. I think this is not 7. Oh, sorry, Mothership 5. I keep on saying 7, 5. Okay, so this is the red shade from the Mothership 5, and I'm going to swatch the red shade from this new palette. Oh, okay, so this is the Mothership 5, and this is the other one, Celestial. Okay, so oh wow, actually the Celestial was a little bit darker red than the Mothership 5, but just staring at them almost looks very similar. So I'm going to show you guys the palette again. Here it is. Very, I mean, same formulation. If you love Pat McGrath loves eyeshadow palettes, she has one of the best shimmers, metallics out there in my opinion. The matte shades from the palette, they were a little bit patchy. I am only wearing these two shades, except for this like burgundy purple shade. I'm wearing these two, but this they feel very dry. This one applied okay, but this one was just a tiny bit hard to blend and tiny bit patchy. So I wasn't really impressed with the matte shades, but the shimmers feel very creamy. They applied very pigmented to the eyes. They just applied beautifully on the eyes. They applied nicely with my finger, even with the dry brush. What else? Yeah, I'm really like impressed with the quality of the shimmers, metallics, even the iridescent shade, this purple one on. I'm wearing this one on my lids right now. So I'm really obsessed, guys. The pants are not that bad. I thought that they would be like really tiny, but not. But also, I mean, less than one gram. So still, I mean, I have like a lot of palettes, so I'm not gonna finish this one but a year. So yeah, I mean the sizes are not that bad at all for $78. You do get $18. Normally they don't, I mean Paprika's, they don't offer like $18 for like $78. Even $125 or like 10 shades. This one $78 for 18 shades. Same formulation, just the matte, you know, a little dry and hard to blend. So yeah, but still guys, overall I really like this palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. The packaging not that great, but the formulation A++ for me. Yeah, this is the end of my video. Let me know guys if you purchase this one, if you're planning to purchase her quads, because those quads like $68 each. Let me know guys. So, and this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.